Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make my all-time favorite drumstick sambar. This recipe is especially for the beginners. Very simple recipe. Let's start cooking. I'm using 1 cup of Thuvar dal, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tomatoes and a piece of asafoetida. Add 3 cups of water and pressure cook for 7 to 8 minutes or keep for 2 whistles. Dal is cooked well. Always mash the dal when it's hot. Mash it with a potato masher or you can use the ladle to mash it. I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoons of chili powder, add according to your taste, and 4 teaspoons of coriander powder or dhania. This will thicken your dal. Add drumstick and some salt to taste. Add curry leaves plus the stems for extra aroma and shallots 100 gram. Take a lemon-sized tamarind, soak it in warm water for 10 minutes. It will be easier for you to extract the pulp. Add according to your taste. Check the consistency. If it's thick, add some more water and let it boil for 5 more minutes. Add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. Fenugreek seeds half a teaspoon. And a teaspoon of jeera, also called cumin, 1 teaspoon. 2 dry red chillies, a few curry leaves. Fry it for about a minute. Add the seasoning to the dal and garnish it with a handful of chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Happy cooking.